Hello, I'm Dr. Mazhar Hussain from My Hair Clinic. If you're considering having a hair transplant, you probably want to have the best possible results. For that, you can actually play a major role. This is not just about the surgery. You need to prepare for your surgery the best possible way to bring your body into a healing position, in a position where it's ready to heal and it's ready to grow your transplanted hair, and where it's able to minimize the risk of infection. So your role in a successful results cannot be underestimated. So what can you do before the surgery to ensure that your body is in good health and it's ready for the transplant, and for the transplant to be as successful as we can get it? Let's talk about that, and we'll divide it into 3 different stages. There's something you can do before the surgery. There's something you need to take into account on the day of the surgery or very around the surgery, and then the follow-up after the surgery, how you follow up with the surgery and make sure that the body is still in a healing position and it's wanting to get the new grafts growing. So let's get started. Let's start with what you can do before the surgery. Before the surgery, you want the body to be in a healing state. You want it to be as little inflamed as possible. You want your body to have the maximum capacity to heal and repair, and you want the body to be in the best possible position to grow your transplanted hair. You can do so by reducing any extra burden on the body. First and foremost, if you smoke, please quit. You need to stop smoking. If at all that is not possible, you would want to reduce smoking as much as you can. But really, you would want to stop smoking so that the grafts get the best possible conditions for healing and growth. The next thing I would suggest you do is minimize burden on the body otherwise. For instance, stop alcohol or reduce alcohol usage. You may also want to reduce caffeine as much as possible. If you're very stressed, if you sleep very poorly, or if you deliberately stay up late and wake up early just because you want to watch some movies or be on social media, you want to sleep better. Better sleep will also reduce your inflammation and bring your body in another situation, in another more healing state.